Today I have another interesting story for you. Our story name is The Kind Elephant. In a dense jungle, a mighty elephant roamed alone because the other animals feared his size and strength. One day he saw a small rabbit trapped in a thorny bush. Instead of walking away, the elephant gently used his trunk to free the rabbit. The rabbit thanked him and told the other animals about his kindness. Soon all the animals realized the elephant had a big heart and they became his friends. The moral of the story is kindness always wins heart. Thank you.